Hi, it's Adam Hughes. I'm coming to you from the digital studios, and we're re-looking at gold. That's right. We've looked at this market before. We made some pretty strong predictions about what we thought was going to happen, and it looks as though everything is beginning to fall into place for this market. First of all, this is a close-only daily chart, so you're not going to see the highs and lows, but I want to show you, we were talking, and we made the video a few days ago, so it's right around these levels, well over 1,000. But you've done a couple. If we close down here today, you're going to break this pivot point, which means we should see the market move down, I would guess, somewhere around these levels, just below the 980 level. Now, it's interesting, this line that you see here, along this line, is basically the breakout line. And the breakout took place just right around there. Now, it's not unusual for a market to break out and then come back down and test that breakout. And I think that's what's going to happen. As you know, we're looking for gold to make a cycle low on October 1st, the 7th, or the 13th. Now, I know it's 3 different dates, but the average is right here, October 7th. So what we're looking for is for this market to pull back down, begin to regroup, and start to go back up again. When that happens, we want to be long this market. You have a trend line potential. I just put this other trend line in for you. And I'm going to draw this by hand, so you can just draw a very simple trend line that's coming up here. And this is where the market, I believe, should find support, right around somewhere between the 970 to 980 area. So what does that mean in Fibonacci terms? Is that going to be a pullback level? So let's take a look and judge that. I think the time cycle is perhaps more important than the price cycle, but let's take a look at that. Let's take everything off the screen. We'll go up to our Fibonacci tool, and I'm going to pull up our Fibonacci tool, pull this down to here. And as you can see, getting down to this level here, we said somewhere around this area here should be good support. That's a 50% retracement from this low here. Now, again, I think the time element's going to be important, but for the time being, we're looking for gold for the next 7, 13, and 19 days. So I'm going to write this down. The next 7, 13, and 19 days to be on the defensive. And one of the reasons for that is because of this indicator here, the MACD, or it's sometimes referred to as the MACD. But it's the moving average convergence divergence method that was put together by a friend of mine called Gerald Appel. And as you can see, the blue line has just gone below the red line, indicating that movements here, further defensive action in gold. So here we have it. We have the potential retest of the breakout area. We have the Fibonacci line coming in around the 977, 980 level, and there's a 50% retracement. And we also have the time windows coming in, which is going to be the 1st, the 7th, and the 13th. So this is when we're looking for cyclic low in gold. That's the 1st of October. Then we're looking at the 7th and then the 13th of October as potential lows. This is the average time window we're looking at. But we're doing this live on the 24th of September. So this is what we're looking for. Already seen potentially a double top here. Very good selling around this level here for the time being. We're looking for a pullback, some sort of consolidation, and then a turn up. Hey, this is Adam Hewis, and this is an update. It looks like everything's falling into place in gold for us. So let's stay close to this market and see how it works out. I'll see you soon.